Hello, my name is Steve Baker, and today I want to talk to you about the VoxIP, IVR, and Auto Attendant capabilities inside our system. The IVR obviously stands for Interactive Voice Response, and sometimes you're also referred to as an Auto Attendant and AA. And what this does is gives you the ability to route calls and provide that prompting, press 1 for this location, press 2 for this destination, and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into the system. Once we logged in, we can go to Applications, IVR, and once again, setting up an IVR is as simple as just knowing what recording you need to use. You're actually going to make a recording first that's going to play a prompt, obviously, to your users. And right now we already have some IVR set up here, but let's go ahead and set up a new one. So pretty much we just need to give it a name. I'm going to call it Sales Department. Oop, if I can spell right. I also have to provide a specific announcement for that. I'm just going to say test 1. And once again, that's the good thing about this. You make your own recording. You can do it from a telephone. You can actually import it from a professional recording process. You also have the ability to let people dial directly off your extension. So when you do your auto attendant greeting, you may say something like, if you know your party's extension, please enter it at any time. You also have the ability to have timeouts for the system. Anytime there's an invalid recording, you can actually, an invalid selection. You can choose a destination. You can also do a timeout if they go through the entire recording and they don't choose anything. You can also have a destinations where, and sometimes it's just as simple as running it back through the same IVR if you want to. And this is where the system really gets easy to configure and really powerful, is you also have the ability to enter digits. So like once again, if you enter a digit, you could go to an individual ring group, like for a sales team. You could actually put them in a queue. You also have the ability to send them to a directory. And there's just tons of features that we have that you can do off your auto attendant. And once again, the good thing is you just keep adding digits as you want to have options for them. For that customer that you're trying to record. And once again, you can set a directory. If you don't have a directory, you could actually create a new one right there if you wanted to. So using the IVR capabilities in the system is real simple. The IVR, once again, provides the ability for you to have the incoming calls actually be answered by the auto attendant, or you can actually even provide them after call coverage. For example, if you had a ring group, you could actually create a new ring group, and you could choose that IVR to be the call coverage if no one answers in that ring group. One of the things we do that's real simple as well, even in our inbound routes, you'd put the DID number in there, give it a description, and then you could actually come down to the end of the incoming route capability and set that destination for that IVR. So real simple on how to set up, real easy to choose. You just need to know where you want to have the IVR placed inside the call leg. And last but not least, we also have the ability to create time conditions when the IVR is going to be played. So obviously you may have some operator or group that's answering your calls live. And once again, you can create rules that say if the destination time matches, I want you to go to this extensions or these ring groups, and if not, then I want you to go to this IVR and play the after hours greeting. So setting up auto attendants or IVRs are real simple in the VoxIP system. There's unlimited deep menus that you could have. You really have a very powerful, very easy module to administer and provide that incoming call routing capabilities that you'd like, that you see in big, huge corporations. So once again, my name's Steve Baker. I appreciate your time. Hope you like this video and have a great day.